Aspen is a global specialty and branded, proudly South African pharmaceutical company, which is focused on improving the health of patients across the world. We're supplying medicines to 150 countries through about circa 70 established offices in 50 about countries and territories. And our focus is predominantly on the commercial marketing and marketing side of the pharmaceutical product and the manufacturing of that. Yeah, this specifically with the rapid global expansion that we've seen as a company going globally from our South African base, resulted in us having multiple ERP systems and other business applications that's deployed across these various businesses across the globe. And there was this need to integrate all of these systems with one another and transactions to be passing it from one system to the other. And we needed to create this middleware, this piece of software in the middle, which is our enterprise systems bus. And that's where we partnered with i1Solutions and IBM as the OEM. To provide us that solution. And the products that we use, Alan, for that integration piece is the IBM MQ, which is the industry leading integration stack, and also IBM App Connect for enterprise, and the IBM managed file transfer. And this combination of technology in the middle allows us to cater for the various needs that the business have in terms of product protocols, file types, to be able to pass those messages from one end to the business to the others. And I think what's also unique here and quite valuable to the business, this is typically what's referred to as plumbing, which we as the technology group looks after. But for the business, it's fairly seamless. They inject a transaction on the one end and they get a result on the other end. Of course, with i1 from an SI perspective, I think since then, I think we see the flexibility of the company, ability to build great relationships, in which we can have robust and crucial conversations. And I think understanding the problem is what we appreciate, and then owning the solution, which we just in Aspen refer to you guys as the guys with the can-do attitude. It scaled from where it started with the ESB solution. And I think just to say, I think we augmented the additional applications by building out on those platforms from IBM even further. Now more than ever, and I think back then it may have been a requirement, but as I say, more than ever now, it had to be secure. It had to be a secure solution, and this solution particularly supports an end-to-end encryption of that traffic and transactions flowing from one end to the other end of our business. So that's a great feature to have. We often refer to this as the heart of the business, and so as a result of that, I think it needed to be highly available as well. And so the solution was built in two different geographies. And with distributed workloads, so we have a high available solution as well, which I think is great. And the solution allows us to do that. Then, based on the diversity of the nature of our business, I think it had to support the different patterns, definitions, protocols that these transactions and these integration points having to have. And then I think the solution provides us that as well, the support for these multiple definition and patterns. I think also, more for the techie, but important is that it allows us synchronous and asynchronous integration needs, on also confidentiality, but very much on integrity as well, and the auditability that this platform allows us to track, where one transaction was passing from one end to the other one. What I can conclude is that, on that requirements list that you have to put out, I think this platform ticked all of the key ones, the must-haves definitely, like security, availability, diversity of patterns, and auditability. Looking forward to what the next decade may hold for us. in
Indeed.
this ever-changing landscape of technology and challenges in the world. And looking forward to working with you as a team. And just to say at this stage as well, for you and the i1Solutions team to be safe,